What is going on, guys? BMW Garage here again with another Miata video. So right now we're actually gonna go ahead and install this brand new spanking clutch line to this NB little Miata. It's pretty simple, to be honest. After you have already removed the previous clutch line, if it fucked up, I'll show you right now what actually happened, and then we're gonna go ahead and install this one. This one should be pretty simple. All you have to do is just install it. It comes with fittings, brand new fittings. After that, pretty much just bleed the clutch. I have a self bleeder. No one's gonna be helping me today, so I'm gonna do it myself, bleed it myself, and it should be good. So let me go ahead and show you how we install it in this piece of crap Miata. All right, so pretty much to do this job, you really don't need that much tools. All you need is your jack. You know, jack the car up, remove your mirror, what the hell? Remove your tire, right? And inside the tire, that's where you're gonna have your sleeve cylinder. I'll show you right now. And then after that, we need 14 for the fittings, of course, and then we are gonna need the number 8 as well, and that's to bleed the line. But yeah, let me go ahead and show you. Pretty much also, this is the, let me see, the self bleed kit. I got it at AutoZone. $10 pretty much. All you do is just, it has this magnetic little clip. You connect it, right? It sticks. Well, obviously not here, it's plastic. But you put this in the bottom side. Oh shit. So that one goes in the bottle side inside like this. You lock it in. I'll show you right now, but you get the idea. This is the bleeder. And I'm gonna have to use one of these to remove the fluid from the reservoir, and yeah, we should be set. Pretty easy job, hopefully. We'll see. Pretty much once you already got the car all jacked up, secured, right, like me, perfect securement, so you come in here, and this right there is your master cylinder, or slave cylinder, actually, I'm sorry. And when it comes to OEM, there is like a line that connects right here, and that's where we're actually going to connect the new line. I do need to clean it up a little bit because it's all crusty and dusty, but the original line comes from here, and it's a metal line, right? And it does this stupid bullshit that pretty much just spins around for some reason and comes up from behind here. And I don't know if you could see, but in my previous short that I put up, this piece of shit, well, pretty much the frame of the car is what kind of like cracked the line, because it wasn't a metal line from at that point. It was like a how do I explain it? It was like it was just a weird hose, right? It was in metal like this, so it ended up cracking. So this is part of the original one, which we are actually going to still remove. So pretty much we're just going to remove this bolt from here, follow the whole line all the way to we get over here, right? This is the reservoir. Right now we're going to bleed it. Oh, actually, we might not even need to bleed it because we are already fucking low. So we're not even going to I'm not bleed it, I'm sorry, remove the brake fluid, because there's no brake fluid. All right, so the line is pretty much out. So this is what I'm talking about. So this stupid, like, I don't know, this is the OEM, right? Clutch line, and it has this dumbass what do you call this, loop, I guess, that connects right there to the slave, right? So now we're just gonna go ahead and connect everything, get the fittings in, and just run it straight directly to the master, right? Which is just up here, right? What the hell is that? Oh, that looks scary. It's just a stick. But anyways, make sure you get a rag just in case you do end up leaking right brake fluid. And right now the brake fluid that we're actually going to use to refill it and flush it is this Prestone brake fluid. Make sure it is the DOT3. That is the specs, but yeah, let me go ahead and start putting in the fittings and I'll show you what to do. Right now, this 90, well, if you end up getting this clutch line right, I'll go ahead and show a picture where I got it, send the link as well, maybe in the description. But this 90 degree fitting is the one that actually goes to this side and this other side goes directly to the slave. All right, so it's pretty simple. Like I said, just get in the fitting there, make sure it's the I believe this is male and then this is going to be the female side. Just get it nice and secured, and then go ahead and get your 14 socket and just go ahead and tighten it up. Pretty simple. And then we're just gonna go ahead and follow the line through. I think I'm just gonna feed it through here, through the same spot, and just go under and under, and yeah, we'll see. All right, so we're down here by the slave cylinder, right? So we went ahead and put the fitting, I'm sorry, and then we're just gonna connect the line. And after that, this is pretty much where you bleed it, this little thing. So we're gonna use that self bleeder, right? We're just gonna open it up. This one is an 8mm, right? So go ahead and get a socket and put it in, and then put your bleeder, right? Get everything set up, start pumping it, and then after that close it and then remove the bleeder. But yeah, let me go ahead and do that. I'll show you guys how it looks. All right, so pretty much already folded up, right? We come over here, we're gonna start up the car, and right now the pedal is gonna be all the way, like, it's gonna be super loose, so you gotta turn it on and pump it real good. Here you go, start pumping. And eventually you're gonna feel it, that's gonna start getting stiff. And then right now we're gonna go around to the bleeder, check how it looks. Alright, so we come over here. I don't know if you can see, but there is a little bit of fluid in the line already. So we're gonna have to go ahead and keep pumping it until we see fluid and this like completely flushed. There's no air bubbles. Like right there's a big ass air bubble, you know? And we still don't have any liquid anymore. So just keep on pumping. And there we go. So now the line is completely filled, no bubbles. So now pretty much you can close it if you want, and you should be good. But yeah, other than that, you should be solid, rock solid. Just go ahead and remove everything, follow your wheel, take it for a drive, and see what happens. But yeah, that's how you go ahead and do an install.